Welcome to Celebration and Honor channel. This channel is dedicated to celebrating global events, sharing inspiring stories of beneficiaries, honoring the unsung heroes, professional bodies and organizations whose invaluable contributions often go unrecognized. Now today's celebration, International Day for Dialogue Among Civilizations. Join us on the International Day for Dialogue Among Civilizations as we uncover how meaningful conversations can unite the world. Stick around till the end for an inspiring twist. Theme: celebrating unity, understanding, and global harmony. On International Day for Dialogue Among Civilizations, we celebrate the importance of communication and collaboration between diverse cultures. Dialogue bridges divides, builds peace, and promotes mutual respect. In a world divided by differences, cultural, religious, or political, dialogue is the key to unity. Open conversations help challenge stereotypes and foster cooperation. By engaging in meaningful exchanges, societies build stronger foundations for peace and prosperity, promoting a future where diverse cultures thrive together. The role of dialogue in society and nation building. Dialogue is a powerful catalyst for societal progress and nation building. It helps address challenges like conflict, inequality, and sustainability. By sharing ideas, knowledge, and experiences, people from diverse backgrounds create innovative solutions. Dialogue fosters collaboration and compassion, helping societies become more resilient. It enables citizens to come together, respecting each culture's contribution to the common good. Embracing diversity and working together strengthens the fabric of society and shapes a peaceful future. Just a quick break. Please, if you are enjoying this, consider subscribing to our channel and turn on notification for more celebrations. Subscription is free. Welcome back. Testimonies of Transformation: How Dialogue is Changing Lives. Testimony 1, Layla, a peacebuilder who bridges divides in her community. Growing up in a community divided by ethnic and religious tensions, I often felt isolated from those who were different from me. But after participating in a dialogue program, I learned how to engage in conversations that build bridges instead of walls. I saw firsthand how dialogue transformed mistrust into understanding and fear into friendship. Today, I work as a peacebuilder, helping others experience the same power of dialogue to create stronger, more cohesive communities. Testimony 2, Raj, a teacher who uses dialogue to promote inclusion. As a teacher in a multicultural school, I've seen how crucial dialogue is in promoting inclusion. Through classroom discussions and group projects, my students, who come from many different backgrounds, learn to listen to one another, share their perspectives, and appreciate each other's unique contributions. This has created an environment of respect and empathy, where diversity is celebrated. Dialogue empowers young minds to think critically and engage with the world in a more open, inclusive way. To all who advocate for dialogue, your work is essential. To all those working tirelessly to promote dialogue among civilizations, thank you for your unwavering commitment to building a peaceful and united world. Through your efforts, you are not only shaping the future of nations, but you are also creating a world where respect, empathy, and understanding prevail. You are making a real difference, one conversation at a time. Whether through educational programs, community discussions, or international forums, your dedication to fostering dialogue is helping us overcome the challenges of division and conflict. Today, on International Day for Dialogue Among Civilizations, we honor your hard work and thank you for your invaluable contributions to building a more inclusive and harmonious world. For those yet to engage in dialogue, the journey starts here. If you haven't yet embraced dialogue, now is the time to start. Engage with others from diverse backgrounds, and let each conversation open doors to greater understanding and empathy. Together, we can build stronger, peaceful communities. Happy International Day for Dialogue Among Civilizations. Let's celebrate the power of conversation and shared humanity as we work towards a united, peaceful world. Let's raise our glasses to toast and celebrate the unsung heroes of dialogue among civilizations. I hope you gained some valuable insight from today's celebration. Thank you for watching. Please, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, and turn on notification for more inspiring celebrations. I remain yours truly, from my heart to yours. Titus Ogbe Ture. Shalom. Now, upcoming event. Coming next, the 11th of June, International Day of Play. The 12th of June, World Day Against Child Labor. The 13th of June, International Albinism Awareness Day. Please check channel for updates. Thank you and stay blessed.